Ayan. Okay. The floor is yours, Ate Ann. Ate Ann will share her experience.
Yes, hello everybody. Good day. Ay, naka-disabled pa siguro
Ay,
coach ang screen sharing.
um, okay. I'll try to make you as a co-host,
Mm-mm.
Ate Ann.
Pasensya na aking
Ayan.
boses, namamalat ang aking
Okay lang
boses.
po. Bedroom voice. Kasi 1 a.m. Thank you talaga, Ate
Okay.
Ann. Appreciate talaga kita.
Oo. Hindi lang siya masyadong detailed. Yan, is it all round?
Wow, with slideshow talaga si Ate Ann. Teacher na teacher talaga.
Ay,
Ayan. Okay po. Yeah, we can see your screen na
okay.
po, Ate Ann.
Oo, hindi naman siya masyadong ano talaga, yung parang detailed. Just ano lang, just a touch of what we did during the, saglit lang coach ha, ano ko muna ito bear with me everybody, thank you. Ano yung ano nito, wait, sorry, saglit lang ha. Okay. Okay, so can everybody see the slide?
Yes po.
Yeah.
Oo. Um, mhm. Okay, so
Ay, na-mute si...
Ay, no sound, Ate Ann.
unmute. So
Ayan,
how is it,
there.
coach? Ayan na.
Okay po. Yes, okay po.
Okay, so right. This Rome trip we just had was one of my most memorable birthdays. So I don't usually celebrate birthday on the exact date since my father passed away on my 14th birthday, but this year my husband booked a table at a Filipino restaurant in Rome called Tambayan Restaurant. So I really had no choice but to celebrate. Well, after all, life's worth celebrating. So ayun, nag-ano kami, celebrate. It was also one of our most memorable family bonding moments since all of us have already always dreamt of I've always dreamed of seeing Rome, especially the Colosseum. And of course, it was also a business trip worth cherishing talaga because it's my first digital business trip abroad. And I'm claiming this will be the first of many more to come. So, and the convention day started with so much excitement. Bakit? Kasi ang Team Sweden, our team, arrived at the venue earlier than most. So we ended up in the welcoming committee, self-appointed, shall I say. We warmly greeted almost everyone who came in. Even though we didn't know each other's names, di kami magkakilala, no? So kaming tatlo lang. At yung iba, syempre, na familiar na through their videos and ads na nakikita. But it felt like we were high school classmates, parang reunion yung nangyari sa Rome Growth Conference. Happily saying hello, doing short interviews, taking photos and videos. It was such a fun-filled pre-conference meet up kasi ang tagal pa bago nagsimula, parang hindi siya on time. At we were able to catch up with the time naman ng mga lectures. So, next slide. I should say almost everyone was filled with happiness and positivity. Parang walang maritesan, ganyan. So, positive energy lang. Well, except of course, something happened the night before the conference started. Um, the night before when someone lost her bag doon sa restaurant na pinagkainan namin and her valuables at nandoon yung kanyang mga passport and the mga documents niya na kailangan. So, but it's charged to experience, ano? So we were already warned about snatchers and things like that in Rome. So won't go into details of all the presentations, but I'll share some of the key takeaways from the speakers that really stuck with me. Lessons I believe are worth applying. Although I haven't started implementing most of them yet, yung aking mga takeaways, sabi ko gagawin ko. But I'm still reflecting on what I've learned, and I'll take time to review my notes again soon. I'm also counting on Ate Rosalie ata came already, no? And Sis Ann Johnson to add and reinforce anything I might miss tonight. So next, let's start with the first speaker, si Caroline. No, does everybody know her? She described herself as a job quitter who can now buy the meals she wants. And she reminded us that growth is not accidental but intentional, and that we should never be affected by bashers. So bakit daw wag magpa-apekto sa mga bashers? As she said, they cannot pay our bills. So we know that ganyan ang gusto niyang isipin natin, no? Huwag magpa-apekto sa mga bashers. So instead of focusing on negativity, let's tell ourselves we can do it. We are our greatest achievements, and we will learn from challenges and surround ourselves with friends who truly support us. Kasi minsan daw yung mga friends nawala. So don't cry over spilled milk na lang. Just focus on the friends that are still there and are supporting us. Mm-mm. I'll never forget her reminder using the famous adage, Rome was not built in a day, di ba? So, but just like Rome, our business is not an overnight success, but it's built to last. Ayan. And then, so that's Caroline. Ano siya, napaka-jolly. Next, Mike and Darren, of course, na starstruck talaga ako. Ang popogi nila at ang tangkad. Seeing them at the conference gave me goosebumps, really, and a bit of kilig. No, the feeling was really surreal. And they shared 5 keys to success. Yan ang actual na photo, no, ng kanilang ano doon, presentation. So, keys to success or tips are commitment, courage, clarity, consistency, and compassions. And these guys, Mike and Darren, are just symbols of success, but of genuine humility. Parang walang mga angas sa katawan, sa buhay, no? Just do your job, ganyan, just be responsible, and everything will come into place. So, ganyan sila. Ang ganda na. Siguro ganyan talaga, no? The more you become successful, parang the more you have to put your feet on the ground. Parang ganun sila. So, ayan, si Tina, of course. Everybody knows Tina, no? That from Tina, we see in her videos, what we see in her is a video niya, no? Is exactly who she is in person. She's gentle and bubbly. Ganun din ang boses niya doon na nagpresent siya. She began by asking us about our vision. And she reminded us that our vision shapes our mindset. And she also emphasized that gratitude, as what she always says, di ba? Parang ganun talaga yung pinopromote niya, no, being grateful. She said that gratitude is the winner's mindset. I've heard her say this in her videos before or several times, that gratitude is channel of blessings, you know. But hearing it live, face to face, made a stronger impact. So iba talaga ang impact pag andun ka sa sa live, andun ka sa venue ng conference. And then Anne-Marie, she talked about branding, and ang cute niya. Akala ko noon malaking babae or matangkad. Ano pala siya? Siguro kahit sila ni Coach Bams. Anna Marie talked about branding, and she emphasized that it doesn't have to be complicated. And she shared the 3 pillars na nandyan sa screen natin, no? The 3 pillars of personal brand. Share your authentic story, because mahirap put up ng feelings sa front ka ng camera kung made up story lang, di ba? So kailangan anong totoo mong istorya. Minsan, we are inspired by other stories and gusto nating gayahin. Pero ang hirap mag-pretend na that is also your story. So you have to uh, share your genuine, your authentic story. And then the second, clarify your message. What do you want to communicate to your target audience? Okay, lagi naman nating naririnig yan sa ating mga coaches, na Coach April, Coach Bams, narinig ko yun ni advice. She should suggest that you communicate clearly to your target audience and then be present. Kahit sometimes maganda ang story natin and we just rely on giving the webinars or free workshops sa ating clients. So wala ding mangyayari, no? It's about showing up consistently, especially when there are business inquiries. You really have to spend time with your future business partners. So, and then ang ganda ng kanyang encouragement sa sarili niya because we have this business in a box. So, lagi niyang sinasabi na you have to claim this and affirm that we have everything you need. So, several times na ano siya, sabi niya, repeat after me or say this, I have everything I need. So, siguro we can also affirm that na andyan na kailangan din natin gamitin. Okay, so wherever you are right now, no? So say this to yourself there. I have everything I need. Ready? Go! I have
I have
everything
everything
I
Have
I need.
everything I need.
Yes. Okay. Andyan lang kahit sarili mo, that's what you need really, no? Yung confidence mo, yan talaga ang kailangan natin, 'di ba? So andyan na, kailangan mo lang kalabitin, poke yourself na, oy, okay, kaya ko pala ito dahil kaya din nila. Despite the fact that we have different personalities, pero kailangan mo, going back to Tina Willis, sinabi niya, kailangan mong paglabanan. You have to fight those villains na that block you from bring out the best in you, no, 'di ba? Okay, so next.
No show?
Well, the rest of the speakers discuss topics such as advertising, like Coach Franco talked about Facebook advertising, but most of this naman nasa trading at napapag-aralan naman natin lagi from our coaches, no? AI tools, like si Julie Fergoso, yung naka-yellow. Okay, ang ganda niya. Talk about one AI tool, nakalimutan ko yung sinulat ko nito. I'm not sure if you have tried this AI tool called Buzzbase. Has anyone tried it? It's an all-in-one app for editing photos. Pwede ka din daw dyan mag-edit ng videos and pwede ka din daw mag-go live. Pero ano ko siya, hinanap ko siya sa App Store, ang mahal pala niya. So I told her, Julie, sabi ko, we are using Restream for live. And I was surprised. Sabi niya, hindi ako familiar sa Restream. Pero ito daw ang ginagamit niya. Buzzbase. Buzzbase-E-A-I. Yeah. Yan ang ginagamit niya. And then, Ivana was the one who revealed to us kung ano na yung rank ni Mike Darren. Pero Coach April said, oy, may stacking pa yan sila. So, hindi lang sila 6A, 5-3 or something.
6A,
Oo.
6A5-6.
Yan, pero times 2 pa and may
Yeah.
stacking
May
pa.
dash
Ang
3
galing,
din
no?
po sila.
Oo, yes. So, naka-relate ko kay parang ano ko siya ngayon, parang I'm a fan of hers, Ivana, kasi teacher din siya. And then, yung kwento ng buhay niya is she was planning to enroll sa kanyang PhD actually sa Canada. Pero she compared yung expenses niya sa pag-study uli, which is $100,000 yung pinaprepare sa kanya, while ang investment, sabi niya, is konti lang. So, 10%, 10 times lesser. So, ayun, nag-business siya and then hindi siya nag-regret na she chose business over studying. Okay. But she also continues her advocacy na, ayun, continuous learning nga, just like mine. Kaya, fan na ako ni Ivana. First time ko actually namat ito. Hindi ko siya nakita before na nag-a-add. Siguro ibang targeting niya, not Sweden. Okay, so ayan na. Finally, we ended the night with a VIP dinner. And I think our table was one of the loudest because they sang happy birthday to me several times. But unfortunately, no one caught it on video or somebody caught it pero nakatalikod daw ako. So, okay, maganda sana i-leverage, But finally, I encourage everyone, especially those who haven't attended a business conference yet, to start saving up for one. Siyempre, it pays naman no, to attend a conference like this. These events truly boost your confidence. And ako, ang ganda ng feeling. Iba ang feeling pag nandun ka. So I met a lot of introverts also from other countries. Meron doon galing sa Bangladesh, India, mga mahiyain sila. And until now, they are fighting, no, kung paano nila ma-overcome yung pagkamahiyain. And I realized that even with an automated system, our business won't work unless we take action. So motivation must come from within. Though, of course, our mentors, our coaches play a big role too. Pero talagang dapat manggaling sa atin, no? Kasi sometimes if we rely our motivation sa ating mentors or coaches or galing sa iba, pag sila, halimbawa, nag-lay low or nag-pause, we also feel the same. So kailangan ng motivation must come from us. We have a responsibility to follow up also and help our mentees, especially during their early stages. So kailangan nila ng help. Since you have committed to this business, the drive must come from each of us. May iba din doon na kawawa din, no? Kagaya nung somebody was sitting beside Ate Rosalie and lagi siya nagtatanong parang sa kanya yung information ng mga coaches like Facebook advertising parang bago sa kanya but she has been in the business for over a year. Parang tinatanong niya lagi si Ate Rose, ano yung ganon, ganyan. So pasalamat tayo that our team, our coaches and business partners here sa ating team ay very supportive na sa atin. I'm truly grateful that our team is active and supportive and we even met people whose mentors yun nga had abandoned them after earning their commissions. How sad. And that made me appreciate our team even more. So finally, I think I would like to encourage everyone na let's continue to pray for this business and at the same time, act while we pray. So kung gusto nating kumain ng apple, di ba, kailangan sungkitin natin, not just wait, open our mouth when the apple from the tree. So that's it about yun lang, just a little sneak peek of what we have done and kung anong na-learn natin natin sa growth conference. So iba siguro especially yung mga technical matters si Sis Ann J magkatabi kami, she recorded many of the presentations and she said she's going to share sa ating drive. So hopefully maano niya pag na siya may time ma-upload. Okay, thank you so much for bearing and for listening. God bless everybody.
Yay!
Thank you.
Congrats at the end. So
Yeah.
proud of you.
Ay, and share ko na.
Ay, ayun.
Stop
Nakamute
share.
pala. Yeah, thank you so much, Ate Ann. We appreciate you talaga mag-present pa talaga. Teacher na teacher talaga si Ate Ann. Sabi ko, Ate Ann, baka pwede naman pa-share nung experience sa room. At may presentation talaga. Thank you, Ate Ann. And I think kaya ni Ate Rosa ni baka nasa work, no? Nasa work kaya
Nasa
si
work
Ate
siya,
Rosa.
sis.
Oo, nasa
Tapos
work.
hindi niya dala yung headset niya.
Oh, it's okay. So, lang tayo. So, we will base everything from Ate Ann's. I think i-cover din naman ni Ate Ann, but iba-iba yung experience natin, di ba? If attend tayo ng mga convention. But I'm so happy for Ate Ann, Ate Rosalie, Ate Ann Johnson na naka-attend nung Rome. It's more like once in a lifetime experience. Pero sabi ni Ate Ann, it's the first time, di ba? May susunod pa kasi they will do that most probably every year na. Kasi if naging successful siya, 'di ba, Ate Ann, they might plan for
Yes, yes.
yeah.
And ako na nervous ako, coach, kasi sabi nila, saan tayo next year? Si Ate Rosalie, sabi ko, Sweden.
Sweden.
Pala, ate, coach.
Ikaw ng head,
Kasi grabing
ay kaya-kaya ni Ate Ann mag-organize.
kaya ko coach pero
Mhm.
yung ano ba yun, kailangan may
Then,
time
time
talaga.
talaga, yeah. So,
So, next year kasi ang dami naming preparation because the Filipino community, di ba, Coach
oh, yeah,
Bams,
yeah, yeah. Oh, yes, this is
mag-host din kami
Kami
ng
ang host over 1,000 of
wow, taray
delegates.
talaga ng mga
Yes.
Siguro,
So,
Sweden.
1,000 and something.
Taray talaga ng
sa
mga
re-
Sweden.
So we have like every 2 weeks we have meeting.
Hmm.
Kaya
ah,
na busy ako eh. Wala akong
Ano
go
yan,
live kasi
stepping ground yan sis. In 2 years time sa Sweden na ang convention. O, di ba? You never know. Padamihin pa ang Sweden para dyan na sila pupunta.
bahala.
Di ba? Pero it's a good kasi if may committee na po, di ba? There's a committee na in Rome. So, for sure, there will be someone din na mag-o-organize ulit ng another convention next year. Parang dito, meron.
merong mag-asawa actually coach na from Sweden. They took charge of the the technical side. Doon sila yung nag-operate ng PPT.
Wow.
Nakalimutan ko ang name ng asawa niya pero ang guy was Andesh. Hindi yung
Swedish?
husband ni Coach Bams. Si
Swedish
Andesh din
siya?
pangalan.
Swedish?
Oo,
Oh,
Swedish sila
Swedish. Wow.
mag-asawa.
Yung
Yes.
goal na yun si Sis Bambi,
Galing.
sama na rin si Anders.
Yun na nga eh. Pagtasal natin yan.
Pagdasal natin si husband Anders. 'Di ba? Wala namang imposible sa pag nag-pray, 'di ba? It takes some
Tama.
time lang. So, walang
Tama.
So, yun. So, thank you again, Ate Ann, for the presentation. And
Welcome.
it's good to experience yung mga gantong convention. You will meet different people. You will meet people na about to. You will meet people na going there, di ba? Striving sila. And then, still learning. And with swerte yung taga-Rome kasi Mike and Darren is there. They even presented. So, 'di ba, they even speak and talagang nag-talk sila, mastermind galore talaga ang ang Rome. Kasi in other meetup, for example, actually parang hindi nag-meet gather and grow sila Mike and Darren before talaga na nag-present sila kasi there's some committees na and then nag-i-invite na lang sila. So, yung Rome are very blessed to have people, especially Mike and Darren na nandun and nag-talk. So, ma-humble talaga, no? If walang ere, no, Ate Ann? As in, hindi mo
Oh,
ma-feel.
yes, yes.
Wala talaga.
No.
And,
Yeah.
and,
So, at saka sila, open sila and welcoming kung may nagpa-ambush picture or
sanay sila na.
oo.
Sanay.
Hindi nga sila, they don't even drive people away kasi grabe yung dinudumog ng mga 'di ba? Yung
Mm.
mga global partners natin. Yung host na lang si Nicole yata ang name na nagsasabing okay, sit down na,
Enough,
tama
enough.
na. Pero may mga talaga, mga matitigas ng ulo, like maingay habang may presentation. So yun yung dapat na na i-improve.
Tone down. Too excited sila. But yeah, yung iba, we cannot, parang di ba mga student talaga, Ate Ann, di ba? There are some na medyo may makukulit na students na iba na behave. So, yeah. But we have to improve that one din. Especially yun with Sis Bambi, di ba? Na-witness mo rin yung sa Chula Visa. As in talagang sobrang excitement, hindi na masyado natin na o-observe ano yung ginagawa natin sa sa in person. So, behave lang a little bit next time. Pero okay yan, worth it naman yan lahat, 'di ba? So, yun. And then, with si Mike and Darren, they really don't parang yung income claims nila, 'di ba? Like hindi nila talaga i-out din sa Dream Team. Even sa Dream Team, they don't post any income nila kasi yung the life that they're living now is a proof na ng result of their hard work talaga. And naalala ko nga yan before, they really deserve talaga yung lahat ng blessings that they have right now. Kasi before, 2016, 17, 18, 19, up until 20, I think they're doing the live webinar, silang dalawa lang. Tuesday and Thursday yan. Na, walang palya at all. So, sabi ko, parang, imagine us, di ba? Hindi naman tayo nagla-live webinar Tuesday and Thursday. Hindi tayo nagsasalita. But sila, they put in their effort. Tuesday and Thursday, imagine, you have to do live webinar every Tuesday and Thursday for the entire years. Date lang sila nag-assign ng mga host and presenters, di ba? Ay sabi ko, nung naisip ko nga yun, sabi ko, oh, it's ano talaga, like, they really deserve. Wala akong karapatang mag-complain sa business ko. Kasi they did everything na hindi ko pa ginagawa at all, ever sa business, di ba? So, wala akong karapatang mag-complain na bakit hindi ito nag-work, bakit ganito. Kasi wala sa kalingkingan ng effort nila yung in-effort ko in my business. So, noon, so, have them as our parang what's this, parang yung
Model.
model, 'di ba? Like model and then inspiration din. And if na medyo sinasabi, oh, I tried my best. Si Darren sinabi niya yan. If merong you have someone na nagsabi na, oh, I tried my best, I tried my 100%. Ask them how much yung 100% mo. Yun yung ano doon na you have this kind of parang limit mo, 'di ba? Meaning yung 100% mo, if you don't get any result, then that's not 100%. Yun yung tumatak sa isipan ko when si Darren nagsalita. I think somewhere sa picnic yata, I think dito nakausap ko. Parang yun yung sinabi niya na if one of your mentees said that I tried everything, it didn't work, then ask them, what did you try and why it didn't work? Kasi if lahat tinry mo, then bakit hindi nag-work? Meaning, you didn't try everything. Even ako, sabi ko, even me, I didn't try everything. I didn't go live. So, may kulang pa, di ba? There's always some things that we have to learn, to adapt, to apply. So, yan siya. So, there's always a lot of room for us to grow. And with this convention, you will appreciate more what we have. And yung sinabi ni Ate Ana, someone kay Ate Rosalie nagtatanong, advertising is the same experience that Sis Bambi experienced ng Shula. So, they will not really go in detail on ads and all. But eto, nga ako pang minsan nangungulit. ano na nangyayari. So,
Yeah.
take advantage of everything. Kasi,
Swerte tayo with coaches.
yeah, ano talaga, take advantage. Kasi kailangan, advertising is the fuel dito sa business. So, if may question, may ganyan, we just have to do our part, diba? So, yun. So, thank you again, Ate Ann. We really appreciate you. And, Ate Ann can sleep. Anyone? Si Sis Ann, wala siguro kasi may ano bukas no, baka may pasok ang mga
Hindi, parang break time. Baka iba yung alarm niya.
kasi nag-change no.
Mm-mm.
Nag-change ang time. So, we'll see. Yan
So,
siya.
I end the recording na, Coach.
Sige, pwede. Sino ba? Aisa.